Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, we got this cool mitt right here, and basically what this is an induction cooktop. If you see the one that we got right here, it's a brand called Duxtop. But this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So if you see the product is all well packaged and everything, but let's take it out. So once we take it out, this actually looks like inside. So they do have a very nice wrapper as well, on top of all the protection layers outside. But I'm actually opening it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so first thing we see inside right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they probably got some more information as well right here, in terms of the power mode and temperature mode on here, and what kind of pot you guys can use on here. So basically use anything that's magnetic on the bottom part, like a stainless steel material, or you can definitely use like a cast iron pot as well. But you definitely cannot use like copper, glass, or aluminum material on here. So when you guys first take it out, this actually looks right here. So basically for the top right here, I'm assuming it's like a glass material. So when you guys are done using it, you can definitely use like a piece of paper or a towel to wipe it off really easily. Right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. And the bottom part right here, we do have a bunch of buttons. So there's a power button, a plus and minus button to increase or lower the temperature on here. There's a timer button, a temperature button, and a heating button on here. And right here, we do have the display screen. And obviously, after you guys finish using the product, you don't want to touch the top part right here because it's going to be really hot. But if you guys turn in the back part right here, they do have like a non-slip material on the bottom. So that way the product won't keep like moving around once you guys set it up. And then basically right here, you can see we do have the ventilation fan. So once you guys plug in the cable and activate the product, the fan will actually turn on so that way the product won't overheat. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. But definitely when you guys use an induction cooktop, it actually heats up much faster than a gas stove top. So if you want to cook stuff, saute stuff, or boil water or anything else, you can definitely do all of that on here. As long as your pot or pan is compatible on here, then you should be fine. So I'm actually go plug in the cable to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here with the product all plugged in. The way how you guys turn it on, you basically want to press on this button right here. And that basically activates the product. But if you see right here, when you actually turn it on, it actually has an error message. So EO. And that's because we have nothing on here. So what you're going to do right now is to put a pot on top first. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we got a pot on top. So we gotta try again. That basically activates the product. If you guys want to increase the temperature on here, that is the maximum. If you guys click on this button right here, you guys can change the temperature setting on here. So there's a heating option and the temperature setting on here. And the maximum is 460. If you guys want to activate the timer option, the maximum is 170 minutes on here. So definitely amazing here when actually activate the product is pretty loud. So I'm gonna let this boil first to show you guys how fast it actually heats up. So definitely see the pot is starting to steam up already. So definitely heats up pretty fast, and it hasn't been more than a minute yet. And definitely one to remember is that when you guys actually use the product, you do not want to touch the plate right here because it's actually really hot. And even once you guys turn off the product, you don't want to touch it at all. If you guys do want to touch it or wipe it down, you just want to use like a towel and wipe it down if you guys need to. But definitely you can see inside right there is starting to boil already. So you can see the product definitely does work. So when you guys are done using it, you guys want to press it one time. And it does show you guys in the space right here that it is hot. So you don't want to touch anything on here until it fully cools down. But this is basically what the product looks like and how to actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So next a quick test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So definitely once you guys activate the product, it actually heats up really fast. It's definitely really easy for you guys to actually clean it once you guys finish using it. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable induction cooktop to use basically anywhere and cook stuff anytime. So maybe at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, or if you guys want to cook stuff at someone else's place, that would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.